This is Dabu 7. Some updated earthquake information in terms of Southern California. And we have the USGS and other scientists coming out and stating that land within this major seismic region could sink between 1.5 to 3 feet in just a matter of seconds if a big enough earthquake was to strike this specific area. Now, they're talking about this Newport Inglewood fault line that runs down through here, and you can see how the plates run this way, in this way. You can see some of the other areas that they've got on the map here, and you can see the broken plate down here. Now, they're saying that it's not going to be gradual sinking, that this is going to be a boom, that it would drop at a very rapid rate. And what's interesting about this is this new information is saying that this fault is a lot more active than they thought. The numbers they had on this is that a quake would happen every 2,300 years. They've dropped that to only 700. The last time it happened was in the 1400s. They're saying that an earthquake happened around 50 BC, one around 200 AD, and then a third in 1450 AD. Now, what's interesting is they went down through a layer. They put these shafts down in the ground 20 feet, digging into the sediment to see if they could find any tsunami information. If it looked like a tsunami came through and wiped out any of the stuff. But what they found instead were 3 different layers at those times when there were earthquakes, where the ground, all the vegetation, was covered by new soil, meaning that it sunk. Every time a big enough quake hit there, it sunk. Now, there was a 6.4 that struck back in 1933. It didn't cause the same sinking. So they're saying that they believe a 6.8 to a 7.5 or greater could trigger this sinking. And like I said, instead of being every 2,300 years, they're now saying that it's every 700 years. And we all know that California's always preparing for the big one to hit. I mean, it could hit from San Francisco down here to Southern California. It is a very active region. When you look at the earthquake maps, there's not another area in the United States that swarms as much as California. So we know the risk is there. The thing is, people that live in these areas, you need to have a plan, really an earthquake plan, especially someone that lives right here in the heart, the epicenter of this, where these faults converge. Or in these areas, they could sink by 3 feet. Things you might want to think about. Nonetheless, that's an update. I'll leave a link here with more information. Until next time, it's been Dabu7. Peace.